and welcome back to my channel. And yes, you guys know what it is. It is time for our monthly extreme couponing to extreme donating. I've been doing this for about a year now, I think, maybe a little bit longer. But Jeff, whose channel's name is Jeff Saves the Coupons, he does this every single month where he, asks us if we're interested in doing a video to show you guys where we can donate stuff. It's not just donating the same things. There's tons of different things to donate. I've tried to donate as much of different varieties of things because, I used to just donate to one person or one company, but now I'm like, you know what, I can donate so much other places and feel great. And that's what we do. We coupon to feel great, to get our high, and then we don't need that stuff unless you guys are super attached to it. But I don't need half the stuff I get. I just like it to get that high, to show you guys deals, and then to help people out, because I love it when I see people are like, oh, you got this for free. Yeah, you can have it. You can have it. So I'm here to share with you guys what I am doing now. As you guys know, there is a bunch of us, and I will put everybody's link below, but there's a bunch of us who is participating in the group. So what I'm going to do is name off the names for you guys, so you guys will each want to check everybody's video out. But it's Savvy Coupon Shopper, Ash Loves Coupons, Gina Schweppe, Nicole Burgess, Brittany Tolberg, Nicole the Coupon Queen of Columbus, Amazing Teppy, My Own Identity, Madison Pippins, and then Jeff Saves with Coupon. So these are all the people that are going to be participating in the extreme couponing to extreme donating. But I just want to show you guys what I will be donating. Now my work has like a little donation thing of school supplies, and I like to donate a lot of school supplies because it's kind of expensive for a lot of people. So I'm planning on donating a few school supplies to my work for their little drive that they're having. Now I wanted to donate more, but Office Depot isn't having their penny deals. Staples kind of has the same deals going on, and I haven't gotten all the coupons yet that I usually get, like I did last year with all the glue and all that stuff. So I'm just, not getting as much school supplies, but you know what, I'm still going to donate it. Now, as you guys notice, or as you guys watch my Menards videos, I've been doing Menards videos of what you can get free at Menards. Menards is a hardware store that sells like a little bit of everything, including groceries, 2x4s, mattresses, you guys name it, they probably sell it. But as you guys saw, they had all these notebooks. They were on sale for 97 cents, and they are free after rebate. The sale actually ends as you guys are watching this, that Saturday. The Saturday is the last day as you guys are watching this. So there was a limit of 10 that you could do, so I'm going to donate all 10 notebooks because I don't need that many notebooks. I still have a lot of notebooks that I got from last year on the clearance racks that are a lot thicker and stuff. So I only grabbed a couple to show you guys, but I will be donating a bunch of notebooks, and I got them in all different colors because some schools need them for, different classes. So I thought I'm going to get them in different colors. I also grabbed all those pens that were free after rebate at Menards. So these were 97 cents, and I got those all for free. I only got 8 packs, but I will be donating a bunch of pens. And then I also did a $5 challenge for you guys at Office Max and Staples. I don't know if this is everything in it. I think this is all the Staples stuff. But I wanted to share with you guys some deals that I'm also going to donate some loose leaf paper because I don't really need that stuff. And I wanted to do, a $5 challenge to show you guys that, you can even spend $5 just to donate school supplies to kids. There's a lot of people out there that cannot afford school supplies. So just, donate $5 of school supplies and go for it. So I ended up getting some erasers, to share with them. I got some more notebooks to give to the kids. I also will be doing some folders, and again, I do all different colors because the schools need different folders, so I ended up getting a bunch of variety of that. I guess my Office Max stuff is in here too, so I got more notebooks. They're all just sliding. Pencils, you can't go wrong with pencils. Kids always need pencils, and yeah, they're not the boring kind, they're not the cool kind, but you know what, some kids aren't picky when they're desperate for school supplies. So you got those. You got some pencil sharpeners, so we got those. I also got some crayons. These are 50 cents at Walmart right now, which is a great deal. So I got crayons. Got some glue, school glue, and then I also got more pens. So that is pretty much all the stuff that I'm going to be donating, and I'm going to look around and find some more. I've been trying to find more school supplies, but I really want to help out, you know, a lot of kids. So that's what I'm going to do. So you guys definitely need to look and see what you guys can donate. I mean, we have those pen coupons, and there's more pen coupons, and there's more folder coupons coming out. But definitely, you know, just think of what you guys need, or you could always just buy that stuff. Sorry, the husband's walking by and he's distracting me. But you guys could always buy that stuff and save it for next year to donate, so there's always that. Last year I actually donated 2 big boxes to my local school. I was super excited about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this extreme couponing to extreme donating video. Make sure you check everybody else's video out, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.